Every spring in the Chesapeake Bay, hundreds of thousands of small, silvery fish swim from their ocean home into freshwater rivers and streams. These are alewife and blueback herring, collectively known as river herring, making their annual migration to lay eggs. River herring were once a booming fishery in the Atlantic, but their populations have crashed since the 1970s, putting them close to endangered status. One of the main culprits for this population crash are dams. In the Patapsco River near Baltimore, Maryland, Bloody Dam has blocked river herring migration since it was first built in 1907. Bloody stood 35 feet tall and spanned 200 feet across the river. In 2018, Maryland Department of Natural Resources finally spent $18 million to remove the dam. So the big question is, how are river herring responding to this drastic habitat change? And is dam removal actually effective as a conservation practice to restore fish populations? This is where the Smithsonian Environmental Research Center comes in. The Fisheries Conservation Lab at SERC has been studying herring populations in the Patapsco River since 2015. The lab collects eggs in the river, tags adult fish to track, and is exploring an exciting monitoring method called environmental DNA, or eDNA. Unlike tagging, where you need to catch a fish to insert a transponder, eDNA can tell us if a fish was present in ambient water based on species-specific DNA sequences. This summer, we started analyzing all of this long-term data to see whether river herring have started using upstream reaches of the river. So far, the data in 2019 and 2020 show that there's a 20% greater chance of detecting river herring eDNA in the restored river areas after Bloody Dam was removed. More years of sampling in the future will tell us how much this increase in river habitat will help to recover the river herring population in the Chesapeake Bay. The removal of Bloody Dam and other dams on the East Coast give us hope that soon enough, these resilient fish will once again return in greater numbers to our rivers.